Do you know that most of our women don't turn their husband to maga where they pay them money? And I'm going to explain to you how this, because this is now waiting the trend. Now waiting they happen now. Our gears, if you see waiting they do, they don't turn their husband to maga where they pay them money. Okay, let me explain. You will meet somebody now. You will meet somebody where you just like you understand? And then as a man, he try to build something with that lady. And the next thing where you don't call him that day, maybe when they talk, maybe mistakenly ask am say this one you know dey sound well, wetin happen? He will tell you that my data finish, this one that one. You go say okay, may you just help am out, may him fit subscribe, at least more na dey talk, because you know say if you no subscribe to am or if you no mention that side, you go say e dey heartless. For you to prove to am say you wan talk to am, you go fit subscribe for am. And after you don go subscribe to this lady, the next day he go come call you, tell you say this one that one abeg make you help am na, because you don't know say you don love am, you don like am. Like this you go dey collect money for your hand. Okay, the next thing now, the man now come find out say na money you want for am. He go come dey book hotel for you. He go carry you go hotel, go knack you. After he don knack you finish for hotel, after the man now don go carry you go hotel now, don knack you finish, tell me how that man go fit think to carry you come for house, come marry you. You see how this is now waiting the trend, and it dey happen. And our lady, why una dey sell on herself like this? No be all lady o. I no mean at all to disrespect any women out there, but you see, if you dey for the category of people where they live this kind of life, my sister, comot your hand for inside, e no go help you. Because that man wey go marry you, wey you don turn to maga, any small thing go bill am, any small thing go bill am, any small thing go bill am, any small thing go bill am. You know they collect money for im hand. You no get better plan for you. Yes, you no get better plan for you. I no say no ask your boyfriend something, but e get the way some ladies dey do am these days. Once you don call am for phone, then the next thing wey he go tell you be say he's not feeling fine, or he go use him mama, say him mama dey sick, may you help am with urgent 2k, may you help am with urgent 1k. Before you know wetin go happen, every day you go don turn am to work. You go dey ask the man money every day. And the next thing now, you go enter Olusho, they go everywhere. They go everywhere. The man go dey knack you, they go. So I want you to if you know say you, if I don't know what you want to. I dey talk to my people. I don't know what you. So guys, let me tell you, share this video. Share this video. You understand? If you get sister, abeg make they advise your sister. If you no want turn himself to knacking machine, make comot im hand for this kind thing. Yes, the man now go take it as knacking machine, because na wetin you do. Then if man come marry you tomorrow, if you put head bam, everywhere don become borehole. Everywhere don become borehole, because you no fit hold yourself, you no fit live genuinely life. Hook up, you no epiari everywhere, corner to corner. Una no epiari. No be all women that they talk to, na those women wey be say they don't turn their husband wey suppose marry them. They don't turn am to wetin they call am, mugu. Don't turn am to mugu. Mugu go dey pay you. And you say that mugu now go come marry you, come keep for house. Abeg make una share this video, because this thing dey pepper me. Okay, you know why this thing dey pay me? One of my friend, he call me say he wan marry. I tell am say okay, may you stroke comot na, at least try find somebody wey you go marry, since wey be say you no get childhood girlfriend wey you grow with. Okay, now he don meet this girl o. That night wey he collect the girl number dey talk, that night the girl bill am recharge card. He send recharge card go give am. After he send recharge card go give am, that same week never finish, he don bill am say he no well, he wan go hospital. He don carry all him problem come give the man for head. The guy give am. Now the guy come call me, tell me say, "Oma, this girl, as him dey say am, he no be the person wey him go dey with o. Say make him just knack and comot face." You don see am? You don see am? He turn am to knacking to mugu. Now the guy come turn am to knacking machine. Guys, share the video if you dey get why.